What an awesome session with Deepika exploring the innovation trends in CRISPR-based editing. I personally believe the future of precision medicine is super exciting, and I'm sure a lot of you can agree. Continuing with our life sciences theme, up next, we have a super exciting session, which will be Patsnap's Life Sciences Product Roadmap with Michelle Liu. Michelle is a driving force behind Patsnap's Life Sciences product, and she's going to take us through some of the strategic initiatives and advancements that are shaping the future of this dynamic industry. As we dive in, we have the unique opportunity to gain insights into some of the cutting-edge solutions and the strategic vision that will propel us into the next frontier of discovery. So without further delay, let's welcome Michelle to the stage as she unravels the roadmap that will guide us through the exciting landscape of life sciences innovation. I hope you enjoy.
Hi everyone, and thank you so much for joining us at our annual Frontier event. I'm Michelle, and I'm a Senior Product Manager here at Patsnap, in charge of the Life Science Product Roadmap. It's been a very exciting time for our LS suite over the last few years, since we started our journey in 2017, and we've made incredible progress over the years, which we'll hear a lot about in today's session. I thought we'd get started with a very quick introduction into our current portfolio, which comprises 3 very powerful products that collectively redefine how we approach research in the life sciences field. As the first pillar of our suite, we have the chemical platform, which seamlessly connects chemical structures to a vast array of knowledge sources, including patents, literature, clinical trials, and more. This is a really great tool for being able to efficiently navigate the competitive landscape around your structure of interest, to uncover areas of white space, conduct those FTO searches, or find suitable partners. We also have our bio platform, which stands as the world's largest sequence searching platform for unparalleled insights that includes everything from our state-of-the-art proprietary algorithms to detailed sequence analysis. Think of this as the brother of our chemical platform, but now for biological sequences. And the newest member of our life sciences suite is Synapse. It's a complete game changer, ensuring that informed decisions are made at every stage of drug development with all the information you need in one platform. So your patents, your clinical trial data, even to our recently launched deals data. And together, these tools seamlessly integrate a plethora of data sets, opening up completely new workflows and providing unparalleled insights to empower you to navigate the complexities of innovation with confidence. Now, before I sort of move on to our achievements that we've had this year, I wanted to take a moment to appreciate the journey that actually brought us here. Our commitment to innovation has been a driving force since our company was founded in 2007. Over the years, we've evolved and grown, reaching significant milestones from our Series A funding in 2014 to Series E in 2021. Focusing on our life science suite, we started our venture into this particular industry in 2017 when we launched our first life science product, Chemical. The challenge here was that chemical patents are highly technical documents that are long and often written really ambiguously, as it could contain the names of thousands of chemical compounds when the patent itself could potentially only relate to one. Further, the extraction of chemical information from these patents is a significant challenge due to the variety of text and image-based representations of chemistry within them. So we developed Chemical, which uses both AI and manual curation to uncover these chemical compounds hidden in patents, to address the needs of scientists and researchers who now have a way to quickly and easily find the patents relevant to their chemical structure of interest. The following year, we did the same with Bio for biological sequences, which in itself had its own challenges. Sequences can be found anywhere within a patent, in the text, in tables, part of figures, in the sequence listings, etc. And over the years, we've really invested in being able to find and index these sequences using both AI and manual curation to ensure that you have the most comprehensive data set at your fingertips. On top of that, we've extracted the associated metadata for those sequences, allowing you to filter on things like, is it chemically modified? Or what is the organism or origin of the sequence itself? That was really the phase we call Life Science 1.0, where we focused on being able to retrieve patterns by chemical structure and sequences. In 2021, we actually advanced to the next phase by introducing signups, extending our focus beyond patents to encompass vital data sets like clinical trials and drug information. We've enriched these unstructured life science specific data sets using our own proprietary ontologies, and we've mapped these entities like drugs, targets, indications, and organizations across millions of documents to enhance your searching. This is really only the start, and we're really excited to continue pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the years to come. So I also wanted to provide a quick recap on what we've released this year so far for our life science products. So for our 3 life science products, you can see it's been a pretty busy year for us as a whole. And we're thrilled to share that in 2023 so far, we've rolled out more than 100 product updates to these products. I want to stress that your feedback has been invaluable in this journey, guiding our development teams to redefine and expand the capabilities of our products. In fact, more than 70% of these features were directly implemented as a result of the feedback you've shared with the Patsnap team. So I'd like to thank you for being part of our story, and we look forward to the continued collaboration that lies ahead. To highlight a few items that we released this year, one of them was the workspaces for sequences, giving our customers a single place to store their sequences of interest and build customized alignment reports off the back of that with an array of newly supported algorithms. But that's not all. We also released completely brand new datasets driven by customer demand, including clinical trial results and deals data. And true to Patsnap style, we've infused these datasets with our distinctive approach, ensuring that the information is not only insightful, but also presented in a way that is visually engaging and easy to digest. This year, we also proudly achieved an industry-first milestone with the introduction of our degenerate sequence search algorithm. This groundbreaking innovation addresses a long-standing challenge faced by traditional algorithms, which often fall short in retrieving sequences containing ambiguous or degenerate bases. This now stands as a testament to our commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the life science space. This is a great segue into the next slide, where we'll walk through a couple of videos about some of those features, including the degenerate search. So in June, we launched our groundbreaking new degenerate sequence search functionality to address a critical challenge in that there are millions of sequences that include the variable N in a nucleotide sequence or X in the case of an amino acid sequence. These are treated as mismatches by traditional algorithms, potentially causing a 100% direct match to be overlooked in your search. So let's dive into this first video and walk through a real-world example showcasing how our degenerate sequence search works to ensure that there are no crucial sequences that slip through the cracks.
Researchers need comprehensive and accurate tools to navigate millions of biological sequences. It can be tricky to accurately obtain the results you need. That's why Patsnap Bio is proud to present a groundbreaking feature as part of our newest bioprofessional package. There are millions of sequences that contain ambiguous or degenerative bases. However, traditional search algorithms treat these as mismatches, leading to untrue similarity and missed results in your key freedom to operate searches. Our degenerative sequence search has a solution for this. Using deep data processing and proprietary search algorithms, you can now retrieve these sequences with ease. No sequence will be left unexplored. For example, we can take the following sequence and our expected hit result. Assuming X can represent any amino acid, our hit sequence is a 100% match to the query. However, using the regular BLAST algorithm, the alignment identity for this match is only 50% due to the presence of these ambiguous bases. With our new degenerate sequence search, our state-of-the-art algorithm recognizes this as a 100% match to ensure you never miss any crucial sequences ever again. Take your FTO to the next level with Bioprofessional and unlock over 1 trillion sequences at your fingertips. Head to patsnap.com/solutions/bio to find out more.
Amazing! I hope you found that video as exciting as we do. The degenerate sequence search we launched in June truly represents a huge leap forward for our bio platform and is redefining how our customers actually run their FGO searches. Perfect. So the second key feature that I wanted to highlight is our lovely Synapse GPT assistant, which is designed to revolutionize the way we summarize, translate, and explain complex scientific documents. Highlight any text within the platform and instantly be able to break down technical topics. It's really here to make scientific data more accessible and understandable to every user, so you can spend less time deciphering those dense scientific texts and more time on your research and innovation. So let's witness it in action with the next short video.
Introducing Synapse GPT Assistant, a groundbreaking tool designed to revolutionize the way you summarize, translate, and explain complex scientific innovation documents. Let's say you're a pharmaceutical researcher. Your daily routine immerses you in a sea of scientific literature, clinical trial reports, and more. However, navigating through the complex technical language, experimental methodologies, and intricate data can be a challenge. This is where the Synapse Assistant comes in. With Synapse GPT Assistant, you gain instant access to simplified explanations of cutting-edge patent insight, clinical trial data, and more, allowing you to complete efficient analysis without spending endless hours deciphering dense text. Having trouble understanding complex concepts or explaining them to other members of your team? Our assistant is here to help. Say goodbye to information overload and let the Synapse Assistant be your summarization guru. With its ability to break down technical topics into simple explanations, it'll help you navigate through texts with ease. Enjoy a seamless reading experience. Plus, the assistant makes exporting your summarized content a breeze, so you can share your valuable findings with confidence. Synapse GPT Assistant, bridging the gap between complexity and comprehension. Try Patsnap's Synapse platform today by using the link below.
Excellent! I hope you found that 60-second feature snap of our Synapse Assistant both informative and compelling. Now that you've seen it in action, just think about how it could streamline your everyday research. From generating one-click reports to share with key stakeholders, to condensing an interesting press release into a concise and insightful summary to share. As we approach and prepare for 2024, it's a really exciting time for our product suite. So for this slide, I wanted to share some really high-level items from next year's roadmap. Firstly, we made significant strides with our One Patsnap initiative in 2023 as we continue to build on the Patsnap innovation ecosystem and our workspace capabilities. Expect even more of this in 2024, with our goal to be able to save all life science datasets into your workspace to provide a centralized hub for seamless organization and collaboration across teams. This functionality isn't just about having a place to store your data, it's about equipping you and your team with tools to enhance collaboration. Imagine setting up email alerts to stay instantly informed about changes or additions to your datasets, or the ability to add comments for facilitating dynamic discussions and insights directly from your workspace. The next major item is that we'll continue to build on our AI capabilities. You may have heard that Patsnap launched its own large language model this year for use in our Eureka platform, marking a really pivotal step in the Patsnap journey. We also released some GPT-powered features within Synapse this year, but looking ahead, we're working on our own LLM, tailored specifically for life sciences, that is being meticulously trained on an extensive dataset encompassing over 13 billion parameters, going beyond patents to also include these other sources that we have, such as clinical trials, scientific literature, and more. The overarching goal is to be able to provide an intuitive interface capable of answering critical business questions and significantly enhancing your overall efficiency. We also plan to roll this out beyond the Synapse platform to transform the way you interact with all of your scientific information. So very exciting updates on that front. And with that, I also wanted to share some concepts that we're actually actively exploring as well. So the first is, imagine being able to uncover sequences featuring certain patterns of chemical modifications. This is a common pain point for many of our customers, and we're really looking to see how we can take our standardized chemical modification dataset to the next level to help you answer questions like, how can I find sequences with a specific modification pattern? What are the effects of those modifications themselves? We've got a really great starting point for that, and we're really excited to see where we can go with this. We're also continuously looking at how we can make the platform more intuitive for our users and retaining those key elements that for our regular visitors. So we're actively reviewing that with our customers. Even in 2023, we continue to listen to your feedback, and some of our key updates have been to merge our results pages into a single step, or to have your search query at the top of every page in bio to ensure that you never lose track of what you originally searched. These were directly based off customer feedback, and we'll continue to do this in 2024. But that's not all. We're also looking to enrich our platforms with new data to provide a deeper understanding of the intricate mechanisms that drive drug discovery, including structure-activity relationships and biomarkers. So there's a lot to look forward to from that end. Now, if you thought the excitement was already in the air, hold on to your hats because I have a very exciting announcement to share with you all. We've actually been working on a very special project with our lovely friends at Business Solutions to integrate Patsnap as a source for their smart charts. This will enable our customers to amalgamate their data from different sources and generate customized visualizations off the back of that to effectively find the answers and insight needed to drive sound business decisions. Now, this has been a very highly requested item from many of our customers, and we're very pleased to announce that we are in the process of making this happen. In the first phase, we'll be integrating this to our core IP analytics platform over the next coming months, but in the longer term, we're also planning for additional integrations across the full life science suite, across our bio, chemical, and Synapse platforms. So please keep your eyes peeled for this. We're incredibly excited about this partnership and grateful to our friends at Bizint for this opportunity. Now, we are always working to understand our customers' needs to better support our customers. And with that, we would love to know, how can we make Patsnap work for you? Your feedback helps us decide which features to build and what improvements should be made to our platform. As I mentioned earlier, more than 70% of our product updates in 2023 were customer-driven. So if you're interested, there are a few ways for you to get involved. Firstly, you can let your Patsnap representative know if you have any feedback. Whether it's good news or something that we could do better, we'd like to know. This could be during your onboarding journey, or perhaps during a review with your dedicated account manager, or even when you're burning the midnight oil and have thought of a really great idea to help us help you along your journey. We're always looking for your feedback. Secondly, you can let us know while you're on the platform, whether this is via the live chat with our amazing product support team. It could be on a in-platform pop-up, or even on certain features themselves. Let's say you're trying out our Synapse Assistant and you think, wow, this summary is great. There are some thumbs up and thumbs down buttons directly integrated into the feature, so clicking those will let us know how you feel about the outputs. Lastly, you may receive an email from our lovely product team to see if you'd be open to a short feedback session with us. For example, we may be starting to develop a really cool feature based on feedback you may have provided in the past, and would love to get on a call with you to discuss if it meets your needs. If you're not comfortable hopping on to a call, we can also communicate by email. It really is whatever works for you. So please keep an eye out for these in your inbox if you're interested. Perfect. So I just wanted to end the session by letting you know that you can now try our Bio and Synapse platforms completely for free by scanning the QR codes you can see on the screen. There's a ton of functionality there available for you to explore, like the Synapse Assistant that we saw today. So please sign up and let us know your thoughts. Thank you all very much for taking the time to delve into our life sciences product roadmap in today's session. I hope you enjoyed it and have a great rest of your day.